Ano?
Where are you from, sir?
Ah,
Where are you from? From
Nigeria. Sir, excuse me. I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I'm going to Olivares,
You go right in tricycle, sir. You
what?
say you go right in tricycle.
Right, right.
Right.
Okay.
They right to tricycle.
Right, right, right,
Right.
right. Okay, okay.
You tell that driver that you go to Olivares, Bayan.
Bayan.
Yes.
How much is if I paid tricycle driver?
If you are special,
Yes.
special trip, no, I think it's 70.
70?
Yes, 70 pesos.
Yeah,
If you
it's too expensive, huh?
Yes, sir. If you want to go some passenger,
Yes.
it's only 20 pesos.
Oh, okay. 20 pesos.
Yes.
Filipino.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Ryan, Ryan.
I'm Ferdy Calabis, sir. Hi to my vlog.
Hello, sir.
Okay lang. Okay lang, boss. Oh, kamusta? What is that?
Pugo.
Fugo. How much this one?
5.
5 pesos, 1 pieces. It's really taste. It's good. Oh. Can you give 1 pieces only? I'll taste it. Oh, it's Fugo. What's your name?
My name is Adrian.
Filipino. Filipino.
Filipino.
Okay, Filipino. Sir, excuse me. Good morning. Filipino, sir. Okay. You taste that?
Wala pa ito.
Uh,
Wala pa. Ayan, meron.
1 piece.
Dari pa rin.
And I'll eat this one.
Yeah, this is it.
Okay. What's this?
Spice.
Spicy, and what's that? And this one? This one?
Sweet.
And this one?
Sweet spice. Suka.
Oh, suka. What's suka?
Mangang.
Manghang.
Oh, yeah. My lugi.
Okay. Beans. Like beans, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one. Okay. Taste it. Okay. I'll try it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You like that?
Spicy.
I like it.
Yeah. I like it. Thank you. What's your name again?
Adrian.
Adrian. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll 5 pesos. Ano? Alright. Ano?
Where are you from, sir?
Where
are you from? From
Nigeria. Okay. Okay. 5 pesos. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So good morning. Wait. What again? What's your name?
Adrian.
Adrian. Thank you, Adrian.
Adrian.
Idol, okay live boss. Idol.
Ayaw naman.
Okay live boss. Mr. Kuntigasin. Mr. Kuntigasin.
Mister.
Mr. Kuntigasin.
Mister Matigasin.
Yeah. Tapa English kayo.